Ah! Ah! All right. Blades are sharpened. Hey everybody, welcome to Just a Man and His Deuce and a Half. My name is Bill, and it has been just over a year. Matter of fact, a year and a month and some days since I cut both tendons in my right pinky and one of the Flexor tendons in my ring finger on my right hand. That was done June 26, 2024. And I just wanted to give you a 1 year update. I waited because I thought I was supposed to be an FCE, functional something evaluation. Anyway, they didn't do that since I've already been back to work for several months now. All they did is took measurements of the actual angle ability movements that I got. And as you can see, I can not quite get my pinky, which this part is good. It's this part that won't pull in. And hold on. So it's just that first whichever flexor tendon that is, the one that connects the very tip of my pinky. It's just weak, you know. Probably all of mine are weak, so to say. But I demonstrated it hasn't stopped me. This hasn't stopped me, and it shouldn't stop you if if you have the same injury or not. You just gotta struggle through it. I know everyone's injuries are different, and everyone goes at it a different way, and that's fine. Just don't quit. That's all I can tell you. Don't give up. It was hard to think that I was going to be where I'm at today. In the beginning, there's a lot of swelling. It's still some swelling. After a year, there's still some swelling in my hand. So don't get discouraged is what I'm trying to say. Stick with what they tell you to do as far as exercises, and I'm still constantly working at mine. I want to be back to where I was before the injury, and it is amazing. You know, you never realize how much you use something until you lose it, and I know it's been said over and over, and they beat it like a dead horse, but oh my God, it is so very true. But you can do it. You can get through this. It's just a thing you're gonna have to do. So anyway, if you have any questions about the injury, like if you're going through it, feel free, shoot me, comment on this. I answer all comments, but I do understand if you're struggling, and I can give you some pointers, at least up to the 1 year point. I just wanted to let you all know, where I'm at, and this is as straight as it'll go. You got to remember, the pinky was also affected, and I've just about got it, full, and technically I would be able to get him all the way up if it wasn't for the pinky. He's kind of waiting on the pinky. But my biggest struggle was that freaking garage door. You see, it's a pull chain. I had to pull on it. Well, in the beginning, I had zero strength in this hand. And you can see I still kind of struggle at it, but I can actually pull it down now. It's amazing. And I can wrestle with that impact wrench. It hasn't stopped me, is what I'm trying to tell you. So anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this little video, and my Deuce buddies, the boots for the Deuce are in. So they'll be going on as soon as I can get a chance. I got to get some grass mowed, which is why we're at where we're at. But anyway, loving each and every one of you. Don't forget, comment. If you want to track along, I will continue giving reports as things progress, or as I find out certain things. I will make another video about this Flexor tendon repair and where I'm at that current moment. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and we'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.